Question. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. We draw the circle. The circle has the center at origin and its radius is a. So this is a comma 0. Here the line is x is equal to a by root 2. We can write x is equal to a by root 2 if we multiply numerator and denominator by root 2, then root 2 a by 2. If we take its value, root 2 is 1.414, and when we divide 1.414 by 2, we get 0.717 a approximately. So from here to here, the length of OA is a, and the a by root 2 is 0.717 a. It means that it will be more than 0.5 a. So more after half of OA, this will be x is equal to, we know x is equal to a by root 2 is the line parallel to y axis. So this is our x is equal to, so this line is x is equal to a by root 2. Now we have to find the area of this part. We know this line will be x is equal to a. So required area, suppose this is B, this is C, this is D. Required area is equal to area of region DACD, which will be equal to 2 into area of region BACB and the area of region BACB will be, here we take a small part along x axis, so dx, here y, and x varies from a by root 2 to a. Now we take the value of y from this equation, then we get a square root of a, the square root of integral from a by root 2 to a. So we get a square root of a square minus x square dx. Here we take positive sign, as area is non-negative. Now we know the integral of a square root of a square minus x square. This will be x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Now we put the value of x as a, then we get here 0. Here we get a square by 2 sin inverse a by a. So we get 1 minus, when we put x a by root 2, then we get a by 2 root 2 a square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 sin inverse a by root 2a, a by root 2a. Here a is cancelled. This is equal to a square by 2 sin inverse 1, and sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So we have this equal to a square by 2 pi by 2 minus a by 2 root 2. Here we have a square by 2. A square root of a square by 2 is a by root 2 minus a square by 2. Sin inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Here we have a square pi by 4. Here we have a square pi by 8. Then after simplification we have a square by 8 pi. Here we have a square by 4. Here a square by 4 can be taken, so pi by 2 minus 1. Find the area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4. Is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. Here we have to find the value of a. This is a parabola symmetric about x-axis. Let us draw its diagram. This is the parabola. X is equal to y square. There is another line x is equal to 4. We know that this is parallel to y-axis. This is x is equal to 4. The area between this parabola and a line is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Suppose this is a line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. Let us name the point of intersection. So this is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. Solution. According to question, area of region OA DO is equal to area of region OBCO. We know that area of region OADO is equal to integral from two into integral from 0 to, this is y-axis and this is x is equal to 0, 0 to, this is x is equal to a y dx, and region OBCA, this is 2 into integral from a to 4 y dx, right? 2 is cancelled from both sides, so we have 0 to a. Here x is equal to y square, so y is root x. A to 4 root x dx. We take positive sign as area is non-negative. Now we take the integral of root x. We have x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to a. Again x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 a to 4. Now from here we have 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2 0 to a. Here we have 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2 a to 4. Now 2 by 3 are cancelled from both sides. If we put x is equal to a, then we have a to the power 3 by 2. When we put 0, then we have 0. Here 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus a to the power 3 by 2. A is transferred to this side, so we have 2 into a to the power 3 by 2, and here we have 4 to the power 3 by 2. 4 is 2a square, so 2 into 3 by 2, then 2 is cancelled, so we have 8. From here we have a to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is 4. Now we have to find a. So a is equal to 4 to the power 2 by 3, and 4 to the power 2 by 3 is cube root of 4 square, and 4 square is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now this can be written as 2 into cube root of 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to mod x. So first step is we have to draw these curves. Y is equal to x square is the parabola symmetric about y axis, and y is equal to mod x is the curve like this. This is y is equal to mod x, and this is y is equal to x square. We have to find the region bounded by these figures. So we have to find the point of intersection A. For writing region, we should put B here. Now the point of intersection. This is y is equal to x. On first quadrant, mod x is positive. So we put y is equal to x in y is equal to x square. Then we have x is equal to x square. This implies that x square minus x is equal to 0. If we take common x, then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we have x is equal to 0 or 1. One point of intersection is here, and another point of intersection in first quadrant is here. So A is 1, 0. So this is the line. This is the another line. Now we know, we can say that the required region is symmetric about y-axis. So the area of required region is equal to 2 into area of region OBAO. That area is equal to 2 into area under line minus area under parabola. So area under line is integral from 0 to 1 y for line dx minus 0 to 1 y for parabola dx. So we have y for line is x, y for parabola is x square. So we have x square by 2 integral from 0 to 1 minus x cube by 3 integral from 0 to 1 we put x is equal to 1, then we have 1 by 2. We put x is equal to 0, then we have 0. Here we put x is equal to 1, then 1 by 3, we put x is equal to 0. Now we have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which can be obtained as 1 by 6. So we have 1 by 3 a square unit. Now find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line y is equal to x is equal to 4y minus 2. Solution. This is the parabola symmetric about y. Solution. X square is equal to 4y is the parabola symmetric about y axis. This is x square is equal to 4y. Another line is x is equal to 4y minus 2. We can convert it into the form y is equal to, firstly we take minus 2 to this side, then we have x plus 2, then we have 1 by 4 into x plus 2, then we have 1 by 4x plus 1 by 2. Here we have slope 1 by 4 and intercept 1 by y-intercept 1 by 2. We compare with the form y is equal to mx plus c. So 1 by 4 is positive. So the line makes positive. So lines makes acute angle with x-axis. This is line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Now we have to find the point of intersection A and B. The way is we put x as 4y minus 2 in the parabola. So 4y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4y. Then we have 16y square minus 16y plus 4. 4y is transferred to LHS. Here we have 16y square minus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. We can take 4 common, then we have 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as 4y minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. You can factorize to get this one. From here we have y is equal to 1 by 4 or 1. So we have the coordinates of A and B. The y coordinate of A will be 1 by 4 because it is below B, and the y coordinate of B will be 1 because 1 is more than 1 by 4, so 1 should be above 1 by 4. Now we take x coordinate after putting y is equal to 1 by 4. If we put y is equal to 1 by 4, then we have x square is equal to 4, then x is equal to 1 and minus 1. But this point A lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant x is negative, so minus 1. When we put y is equal to 1, then x square is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2 or minus 2. But B lies in first quadrant, so x will be positive, so this will be 2. Now we have to find this area. So required area is equal to area of region AOBA, and for finding this area we have to draw a line parallel to y axis, this is x is equal to 2 and this is x is equal to minus 1. So we have to integrate. Area of region AOBA, which is equal to integral from, we have to find area under line minus area under parabola. Area under line will be calculated integral from minus 1 to 2 y for line, integral from minus 1 to 2 y for line dx minus integral from minus 1 to 2 y for parabola. Dx. Now y for line is, here x is equal to 4y minus 2. From here we have y is equal to 1 by 4, x plus 1 by 2. So 1 x by 4 plus 1 by 2 dx minus 1 to 2 y for parabola. Here x square is equal to 4y. Then y for parabola is x square by 4. X square is equal to 4y, then y is equal to x square by 4. We have to integrate this one. Integral of x by 4 is x square by 2 into 4, 8, plus integral of 1 by 2 is x by 2 minus 1 to 2. Now integral of x square by 4 is x cube by 3 into 4 is 12 minus 1 to 2. Now we put the value. So we have 2 square by 8 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 square is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus, we have, if we put x is equal to 2, then 2 cube by 8, 2 cube by 12 minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 by 12. Four by 8 is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 is 4 minus 1, 3 by 8 minus, here we have 8 by 12 is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 12. Here we have 3 by 2 minus 3 by 8. Here we have LCM 12. So 12, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 by 4. LCM is 8. Here 12 minus 3 minus 6. 12 minus 9 is 3 by 8. Here we have minus, here we have 1 minus 4 minus 3. So here 3 by 2, 3 by 8. Here 3 by 8. Then here 3. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 by 8. After calculation, you must recheck your solution.